on here and do a quick little unboxing video. This is the Truphae Inkscription box. It's $30. You get some type of fountain pen ink and some type of budget friendly, or I don't even want to say cheap because like they're really good quality, but they are the cheaper versions of fountain pens that could possibly come in this box. It is a mystery subscription box, so it's every 30 days you will get sent a new box for $30. So let's open it up and see if it's worth it. I purchased this with my own money. This is not biased in any way. They did not pay me to give any kind of review, so let's jump in. So, okay. So you open it up here and you have two things on top. I'll go ahead and pull them out and move the packaging aside. So the first thing I see here is this Kaweco. It says get inked. I don't know what model this is. Perkeo, you know how you say it, Perkeo? It's black and red, and then this ink here is this brand. I'm not gonna be able to say that properly. Ink bottle. What color is it? Green. Okay. I'll go ahead and start here because I'm curious, and nothing is better than a good fountain pen ink. I've been trying to expand my collection with things that I wouldn't typically do. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that in the light there, but that is just a gorgeous green color. It comes really nicely packaged too. It came decently quick, I'd say 4 to 5 days, and it was here. This is a really nice bottle. You get a large amount for $30, getting both of these items, and it being a mystery, so it's still kind of fun, and it comes packaged with this paper here, so nothing's gonna get damaged. Okay, so a green fountain pen ink. I'll try that later in the video. And then the Kaweco. This is actually my first Kaweco. I've been very curious about them, but I have never purchased one on my own, so this is already a win for me in trying this subscription box because it's allowing me to try something new. I actually don't even know how to fill these. This is a medium point, so I imagine it's probably a converter, or you can probably get cartridges. Okay, so this is just a cartridge you pop in here. Now I do not have an ink syringe, so unfortunately, unless there's another way of doing it, I don't have an ink syringe, so I'm not gonna be able to fill this right away. But I do actually have a standard converter, which might work. Maybe this will work. It might be too long, but we can try it. This is a standard converter that I found on Amazon for a different pen. So it looks, oh wait, there we go. Maybe that's working. Because I was having some trouble with this converter on my last pen. Okay, well, let's just jump right in and try it. So this is a beautiful green color. Cotton ball here I can use. Okay. Just need a little bit here to try it. Trying not to make a mess. Oh, well, there was another cartridge in there that I did not realize, and then you get an empty cartridge. So let's see if this will work. It looks like it fits here, and then I'll show you how the other cartridge works as well. I get a piece of paper. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, that is actually really nice. It kind of writes a little bit more like what I would consider a fine, but I'm not mad at that at all. For $30 for both of these, I consider this a complete win. I think it's not skipping. I didn't have to hard start at all. Immediately, it just has great ink flow. And I love this green color. It's not a color I would typically pick out at all. I don't have great handwriting, so just bear with me. Wow, so for $30, and it was free shipping when you order the subscription, this green ink, this Cueca pen that I would never pick out for myself, but I consider a complete win. So 10 out of 10 on the subscription box. If you're interested, I can send you the link. I think this is a great value for the money, and I think it's something really fun. So give it a try if you're interested.